Here's I'll show you how to blend image in wall in Photoshop. So open the photo that you want to blend and then unlock the photo layer, then go to select all and go to edit and just copy the image. Now go back to your main project and press Ctrl V to paste the image. Now hold down the Ctrl key and click on this icon to select your entire image. Now press Ctrl X to cut the image. Now make sure to select the first layer and go to filter and here click on vanishing point. And now go ahead and select a perspective box just like this. Now press Ctrl V and your image will paste here. Now simply drag the image inside of this box just like this. And now it's time to adjust this image. So press Ctrl T and then scroll down and you can now easily adjust your photo size just like this. You can also rotate your photo here. So just adjust the photo and you can also rotate just like this. I'm just making this image full screen and changing the image size. Okay, for example, this part I want to add. Now I'm just clicking on OK. And here we can see the image added. Now double click on this image layer and here select blending options, and now we have to adjust this image for the wall. So hold down the Alt key and click on this icon to divide. Now using this first option you can easily blend the image to your wall just like this. So go ahead and adjust your image. Once you're happy, just click on OK. And here we can see the before and after result. So that's how you can actually blend something in wall